Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. The trades from yesterday doing amazing. Bitcoin trade closed in the profits. It was close to 100% profit or something, an 80% profit, which is amazing. It hit my target, 44,000, closed the trade, and now we're sitting at 43,000 something, and I'm going to see where to open there next. My BNB trade is still open with the target of 500 something, up $1,000. We made, I think yesterday in the count, it went up from 96,000 to 110,000. So $14,000 of profits on that trading account, which is beautiful. Congratulations, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict where it's going to go. I'm going to show you my trades. I'm going to show you where I would open a Bitcoin trade. I'm going to show you altcoins that I like. And I just want to speak about what's happening in Ukraine and Russia. Everyone should be really calling for de-escalation. We are closer to World War III than ever before in history. It is a very, very dangerous time, and people are not realizing. I spend my days predicting what's going to happen in the markets, what's going to happen fundamentally, so what happens in the world that affects the markets. And we are at the most dangerous time in human history. Everyone needs to be calling for de-escalation in every single possible way, with Russia, with Ukraine, with everyone. We are so close to complete end of the world, and people really need to understand this. If they keep pushing Russia, if they keep sanctioning, if this war continues, it comes closer and closer to the end of the world, nuclear war. And if anyone knows Albert Einstein's quote, he says, I don't know what World War III, what weapons World War III will be fought with, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones. So we are at a very, very dangerous time. So pray for everyone, pray for de-escalation, pray for peace, speak about peace, speak about de-escalation, not weapons, not sending more weapons, not more fighting. Everyone should be calling de-escalation and peace as soon as possible before it's really the end of the world. I hope everyone pays attention to this. We are closer to the end of the world than ever before, and people really need to understand this. The end of humans, the world will continue. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So now we're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. On the 4 hourly, we had this huge pump right yesterday, and this new bot that I'm trying, this new kind of indicator bot, this Bitcoin bot, and it called the buy really well at 39,000, shot up to 44,000. Look at this, it exactly hit this blue trend line. And if anyone's doubting technical analysis and predicting the markets, this blue trend line is 2 years old. You heard me right, 2 years old. It first started on this trend line back here in October 2020. This blue trend line started. We got the first point. We went up to 64,000. We came down to 29,000. That gave us the second point. And those 2 points gave us this blue trend line. 6 months later, we're on this blue trend line. Look look at it. It exactly touched the blue trend line. So again, if anyone is doubting technical analysis, this proves how amazing technical analysis is. You can learn it with 6,000 of my students in the course. You'll learn to do everything you're seeing here. On the daily, we've averted danger of a head and shoulders pattern that should have broke to the downside. We've actually now creating a W formation, a giant one. And this could really mean a huge explosive movement for Bitcoin, everyone. This is huge, massively bullish. If we manage to get above this blue trend line, which I think we're going to do because people are seeing how corrupt the legacy financial systems are, with Canada blocking accounts, with Russian sanctions, with everything that's happening in Ukraine, people are unable to withdraw money from banks. Everyone is moving into Bitcoin now, and this could be the big transition. If the world doesn't end, this is the transition into the new crypto systems that's going to run the entire world that I've been talking about since 2012. So this giant W formation is forming. If we break through this 44,000, looks like we're going to 51,000 for Bitcoin, and it'll be a huge explosive movement just like it was here, because all of Russia, Ukraine, Canada, many people are moving into Bitcoin because they know that their money's not safe in the banks. Stochastic is heading up. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side. Money flow is bottoming out. We needed to see it turn to head up, but it looks like we're going in. The Bitcoin signal, it fired a buy. Let's see, it fired a buy here. Look how amazingly well it called it at 34,000. Now we're sitting at 43,000, still indicating a buy. The crypto guru bot, you get these in the course, is still showing a sell. So this war it's not working with the crypto bot at the moment. VPVR, we're above major support areas now. Look at the buying selling that happened at 37K. Look at the buying selling we have at 42K. So now we're above major support. It looks like Bitcoin is going to go for a massive run. We're above the EMA ribbons on the daily for the first time since the big November drops. Or actually, we had some up here as well. We got above it just a few times in February, but it looks like we're going to be going on a massive run. If Bitcoin can break above, what you need is a confirmation to go all in on Bitcoin at the moment. Never go all in, ladder in. But if we break above, bounce, retest, and move up, this will be an indication that we're going to 52K with a lot of volume. Let's go into the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly charts, MA cross is heading up. The stochastic is overbought, but still heading up. We had a lot of volume. Look at that volume. This is what shot up the price of Bitcoin. These green volume bars. And you can learn all this so you know what I'm doing in the crypto course. You can join 6,000 students. We had 37,000 Bitcoin here, 22,000. That's 50, 60,000, 60,000. Plus another 29,000, it's almost 90,000 Bitcoin was bought in the last day. 90,000 Bitcoin was bought in the last day, and that's what sent this price rocketing up. My trade on Bitcoin closed exactly here. It took profit and then bounced off. But in my opinion, we're going to go for it again because people are moving into Bitcoin insanely quick. All countries are. The EMA ribbons were massively above the EMA ribbons. VPVR were above. It looks very bullish. The Bitcoin buy signal, it fired a buy here just recently at 41K, so it's looking very bullish. Squeeze mob going to the still heading up, even though it's overbought. Squeeze mob going to green side, stochastic heading up. Money flow is flowing into Bitcoin very quickly. So in my opinion, we are going up on the hourly. If we can break through again, we need to break through this blue trend line. We need to break through 44,000. If we can break above, bounce, we're going to test 52,000, everyone. Money flow index on the hourly is heading down. Squeeze mob is heading down. Stochastic is heading down on the hourly. So we could have slight pullback, but I think there's just too much buying pressure. Where I would open a long on Bitcoin, actually I wouldn't want to miss this big movement, so I'm going to add another long on Bitcoin. My long from yesterday was in the positive. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, if you go down under the video here, you can hit this thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes on this video. Everyone hit the subscribe button, join more. Now I'm very close to 70,000 subscribers. I think we're 200 subscribers away. Are you going to be the subscriber? That's my 70,000th subscriber after 1.5 years of this channel. Click the join button if you want to see what I'm doing in the markets. You get my live alerts of stocks, cryptos. When I trade live, you see my live trades. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, Bitcoin trading, Bybit. This is the software that I use to trade. And Bybit is the best exchange in my opinion. You get a sign-up bonus of $4,100 US. When you go down, you click this link, you sign up, you get the trading software, and you get a sign-up bonus of $4,100 US when you sign up and deposit Bitcoin. The link under the video. Go down, click it, sign up, Bitcoin trading, Bybit. Then you get this software. My BNB trade is up $800 since yesterday. It was just up $1,100, but it just pulled back a little bit, but up 76% since yesterday. It was a $1,000 trade and it made $791. It was just up $1,100. My Bitcoin trade closed in the profit of hitting that target, made $1,000. In this account, if you followed my videos yesterday, this account had $96,000 in the morning yesterday. Now it's sitting at just under $110,000, so it made $14,000, 14% in this account in just one day. I'm holding in this account 67,000, 1.5 Bitcoin. I'm holding 14,000 of BIT, which is up 7% today. I'm holding 11,000 of USDT. I'm holding $10,000 of cake. I'm going to buy more Bitcoin here because I think I'm going to buy another $7,000 of Bitcoin. I'm buying it, click buy, spot position, boom. My order is there, it's filling. I'm buying $7,000 more of Bitcoin, which is beautiful. You're seeing it live. My trade here is up $800. My take profit on this trade is set at $515, which will make me $3,685 on this BNB trade. Now it's up $800. You're watching my live account. So in this account now I have $109,900, so up almost $14,000 since yesterday. I'm starting to buy up a lot of Bitcoin across my accounts, everyone, which is beautiful. That's my Bybit account. Again, under the video, click down this link, sign up, you get this bonus. So that's what's happening with Bitcoin. I made a poll yesterday, 23 hours ago. Will Bitcoin go above 40,000 or drop this week? This was 1 day ago. 45% of you said 45,000, 2,600 votes in 1 day. 45% of you were right. We are above 40,000 the same day that I made that poll. What if we used 100% of your brain? Then you will start buying Bitcoin. Hi, I just want to say thank you for the knowledge you have shared in your master course. 10 out of 10. I've completed it yesterday. What an atmosphere, good vibes. Rule number 1, don't lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. Top job, great work, mate. Thank you very much. And to get the crypto course, you can learn with my 6,000 students. You find the course underneath this in the description and the pinned comment of this video. If you go under the video, you'll find the pinned comment or description, and you'll see the crypto. So you've got the Bybit link to the trading software, and you've got this crypto course link where you can join 6,000 students and learn what I'm teaching. What other comments do we have and information? I want to show you all the news. Thanks for the content. Yes, you called it again, the 4th time now since I follow you. That's 3 in a row for me. Should buy you a coffee. Enjoy your wonderful view. It's amazing. Thank you, Abdi. James, you're beyond inspirational. Thanks for giving back to the crypto community. I hope one day to be as successful as you. Beautiful, you will be. Magic Craft Twitter is exploding, everyone. We've got now 42,000 subscribers on the Magic Craft Twitter, MCRT. It's the play to earn game. And more than 3,000 subscribers on Instagram. And the Telegram is exploding. Almost 26,000 members on the Telegram. It's growing like crazy. This is all the money. Number of Bitcoin addresses with more than 1,000 Bitcoin. Look at this. The billionaires are moving into Bitcoin. And all this buying volume yesterday, everyone, I can see a lot of information about the markets because I have more than 100,000 subscribers across my network. Yesterday's massive movement in Bitcoin wasn't the normal retail investors. It wasn't the big institutions. Who was buying up all that Bitcoin yesterday? It was new people, new billionaires moving into Bitcoin to escape sanctions, to escape their fake currencies. And I think it was a lot of Russian people, and Bitcoin shot up. And this is, again, this is showing you how many new accounts, more than 8,000 accounts now, almost 10,000 accounts are holding more than 1,000 Bitcoin. So lots of billionaires just moved into Bitcoin in one go, which is very, very interesting. This is my Bitcoin trade yesterday. If you followed it yesterday, up 80% yesterday. It closed the exit price at 43,766. My Twitter was verified yesterday as well, which is amazing. I now have a verified Twitter. So now when you follow, you can go to Twitter and you can follow me on there. I have now around 18,500 followers on Twitter. Make sure when you go to my account, make sure I've got this blue tag. Every other account that doesn't have this blue tag on Twitter is a fake one, everyone. Make sure this name matches James Crypto Guru and that it has this blue tag, because I had so many scam accounts that were created of me every day. I will never message you asking for money. I will never message you asking to send more Bitcoin or crypto to get more money. These are scammers. Make sure when you talk to me on Twitter, make sure it has this blue check mark above my name. And you can follow me on Twitter. I post a lot of information about things. This is a post I'm constantly posting in there. And this was a post I made earlier today, 39 minutes ago. Only way to stop this trajectory of nuclear war and the end of the human world is Putin pulling out and saying to avoid nuclear war. I think we're very close to nuclear war, everyone, and everyone should be calling for de-escalation right now. No one wants the end of the world. No one wants nuclear war. De-escalation as much as possible. Not more weapons, not more violence, not more tanks, not more aircraft. We need de-escalation ASAP, or we are close to the end of the world. Never before have we been closer. And I'm really very feeling that I should be giving this warning everywhere. We have never been before as close to nuclear war and the end of the world as we are right now. Every country, every politician, pay attention to this. We need de-escalation right now. Not more weapons, not more war. Surrender, whatever it takes. De-escalation. We are closer to the end of the world and nuclear war than human race has ever been before. And people really should understand how dangerous this game is and what is happening right now. I understand there's violence and everyone needs to go to peace ASAP, or it's going to be the end for everyone. And it doesn't matter about country lines and lines on a map when the whole world is finished. I wish everyone the best. Pray for the best. Pray for peace. We are so close to a very dangerous time. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe. Join the 70,000. Become my 70,000 subscriber. Smash the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.